Hey, if you're preparing for JAMB 2026, this might be the most important video you ever see, because what I'm about to tell you can literally determine whether you'll be part of those who score 180 or those who cross 300 and smile into the university. So don't scroll, stop, don't scroll, don't skip. Give me just a few minutes. This might change your JAMB story forever. Now, my name is Excellent Simplified. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I've helped hundreds of students with their JAMB, pass their JAMB with confidence, and that was done not by studying at night, but by studying smart. And now I've opened a special WhatsApp group for students preparing for JAMB 2026. People like you who want to start preparations early and score high and not last minute stress. Now, every year, over thousands of students register for JAMB, but only a small percentage get the score that guarantees admission. Do you know why? It's not because they are not smart. It's not because they don't read. It's because most students start late and they study blindly. Two things I mentioned now is because they start late, they study blindly and panic when it's almost exam time. Let me tell you something. The best JAMB candidates, that is those that score 300 plus, they don't wait until March or April. They start now. They use their syllabus early. They break down topics gradually. They master time management. They practice CBT until it becomes second nature. You know what that means. Now, the truth is that if you start preparing now, you have more time to revise, right? And you understand each topic deeply and go into that exam hall with confidence. That's the truth. While others are still confused about where to start, you've gone a very long way. You don't have to read 10 hours a day. That's the truth. You don't have to read 10 hours a day. You just need a plan, consistency, and guidance. Those are the three things you need at this point. A plan, consistency, and guidance. And that's exactly what I created that group for. JAMB 2026 study group. That's what it's called. Now, it is a space where I'll be teaching, guiding, and walking you step by step from now until exam day. From the time of watching this video until exam day. That's why from the beginning of this video I said this might be the turning point in your JAMB. Can change your JAMB story forever. Alright, so that is why I'm creating this WhatsApp group. And the most interesting part is it is free of charge. I'm not charging you. I have paid JAMB groups that I've been doing before, but this year I've decided to do a free JAMB group. Ask my previous students. They've been sending me their admission updates. They've been getting admission. This year I've decided to make it free. Why? So I can reach massive audience. Because I want to help. My aim is to help over 300 students score over 300. That's the aim. Now, imagine entering the JAMB hall next year, seeing the questions and smiling because you've practiced them all before. Just imagine. Imagine checking your result and say 350. You that you were not even, you're just believing God for 200. Now, imagine seeing your result and you score over 300. And knowing you didn't just get lucky. You worked for it smartly. That's what this is all about. It's not just about passing JAMB, it's about owning your future. Don't write JAMB and at the end of the day they give you what you were not planning for. They give you a course that you did not apply for. That's not the aim. The aim is to write your JAMB, get what you apply for. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and join our JAMB 2026 study group. That's one thing you do. Just check the description of this video. You see the link to the WhatsApp group. Click on the link on that WhatsApp group in the description. It will take you to WhatsApp. It will take you to the WhatsApp group. Then you join WhatsApp group. That will be all. In the WhatsApp group, you see what we are already doing there in the WhatsApp group. Then if you have difficulties joining, because the last video some person said they clicked the link and it was not taking them, they had issues getting to the group. If you have difficulties like that, my number is on the screen now. chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll add you directly to the group. The next thing you have to do is to subscribe and follow, because this is just the first video in the JAMB series. So I have other videos in this series. I have other videos like JAMB videos. I've made several videos, but this new series I'm starting, this is beginning of a new series. So subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to prepare smart and not hard, and how to build your own study plan, and that actually works. So some persons don't want to have study plan. That's step to failure. So I'm going to make that video next time, but go to that WhatsApp group now. My name is Excellence Simplified, and I'm here to make sure you don't just write JAMB, you conquer it. Now drop in the comment section, I will succeed. Just drop in the comment section, I will succeed. Click on the link in the description, it's take you to the WhatsApp group. Then drop in the comment section, I will succeed. You know why I'm smiling? Because what you are getting for free is worth over 100,000, but you're getting it for free on that group chat. I've determined to do that for free for you. See you, subscribe, share this video so others can join. If you know anybody writing JAMB, just make sure they are on that WhatsApp group chat. It is totally free of charge. I will guide you from the beginning to the ending. My name is Excellence Simplified. See you in my next video.